Hello. So today's channel reading will be on the topic of twin flame romance. It's a very beautiful topic, and obviously it is very juicy. So let's see what your twin flame have treasured in the romance basket. Okay. Because I said basket because your twin flame always has different baskets of gifts for you, always revealing to you. So today we'll be touching on in which way your twin flame is romancing you energetically or actually today. Okay, so I will channel few of the messages through some of the quotes that I have taken out, and let's see what's the message from your twin flame, and check within your heart how you resonate with this message, because this is your romance energy coming from your twin flame. So ready to go? Yes, I am ready to go. Okay, the first one is, maybe I am too late to be your first, but right now I am preparing myself to be your last. I liked it. This is really a twin flame energy. Maybe I am too late to be your first, but right now I am preparing myself to be your last. Yes, because your harmonious union with your twin flame is like you bond eternally. That is the last love you experience, and you completely merge into that love completely. So how I feel about this message, it's taking me into my experiences that has came up for me, because I have experienced two false twin flame experience before I met my true twin flame. And before the first twin flame I had a soulmate relationship also. So many iterations to even come into the meeting with my true twin flame. I always felt anger towards God. Why didn't you made me meet my true twin flame in the first place itself? Why it was I have been meeting different people, because God always wanted me to understand what is unconditional love. If you are experiencing love with other person, don't have to worry, because the love that you are experiencing, you are actually experiencing with your true twin flame. So maybe currently with this person you resonate with that energy, and that's why you feel attracted to the person. But with this message, your twin flame is straight away telling you that I am going to be your last person to be in eternal love with you. And the preparation is a journey, so nothing to be worried about it. And knowing that your twin flame is preparing to experience that romantic eternal life with you, and when your twin flame is there, nobody can enter into that space, so don't worry. So keep going, and this message is like, yes, I am ready to receive my last eternal love and stay into that bond forever. So do you choose to receive this love from your twin flame? Who is going to say no? Nobody. Okay, so yes, so I will read this message one more time. Maybe I am too late to be your first, but right now I am preparing myself to be your last. Good. Okay, I will select another message, and let's see what is coming from the romance basket. The message is, I am permanently in love with you always and forever. So, do you still doubt that this separation is not going to end? No, it is. It is, because it's a permanent connection, and your twin flame is saying that to you through this message. I am permanently in love with you always and forever. Wow. And it's only your twin flame can commit with this strong statement, like completely giving everything to you, like I'm permanently in love with you always and forever. And do you deserve this, such a beautiful eternal commitment that your twin flame is giving you through this message? So do you choose to receive this thing? And if you are holding back yourself somewhere, like how can I receive so much love from a person? So I will invite you to release those blocks, because you can claim all part, like everything, like all that desire in romance, you can claim it from your twin flame, because God has created your twin flame so that you experience that eternal love with him. You need to see that what you are desiring in romance, that is exactly what God is bringing in through your twin flame. Okay, so it is not at all true that separation is not at all true. Only this romance with your twin flame is true. And see how heavy the sentence is, how deep this sentence is, like I am permanently in love with you always and forever. And know that it's only your twin flame can say this to you. So do you commit the same to them? Can you just say these words within your heart and give them the confirmation that yes, I am permanently in love with you always and forever? So do you choose to commit deeply like this to your twin flame? Wow, so beautiful. Okay, we have another message, and let's see what is it coming. I look at you and I am home. I see nothing worse than to be without you, because with you my soul feels complete. You are the other half of me and I love you. You are my home, no matter where that is. What else you want to hear beyond this? This is such a it doesn't feel like a message, it actually feels like a love letter. Like your twin flame is completely expressing how much they truly love you. I will read it one more time, because this is so juicy. I look at you and I am home. I see nothing worse than to be without you, because with you my soul feels complete. You are the other half of me and I love you. You are my home, no matter where that is. So do you choose this home? Deep within your heart, do you choose to receive where your soul feels complete in this love? Only this love can make you feel complete. Only this love can make you feel complete. Only this love can make you feel home. Do you choose to go home? Do you choose this home with your twin flame? This is so romantic. do you choose your other half and experience this love that completes you completely on a soul level? It has been a long time that your soul and their soul are separated, and coming into this awareness that this knowledge is available, this union consciousness is available, where you can truly choose love that is going to make you feel complete on a level of soul. Do you choose that? It's beautiful. I feel complete, and I would love to hear back how you feel about this message from your twin flame. And this message is coming for the for the consciousness of twin flame, and you can always claim your personal twin flame message with me, and you can connect with me. I will be love to channel the romantic message from your masculine or from your feminine, and that is going to make your soul feel so good. Okay. Thank you.